Well, here's a crew hard at work. This is my good friend Ryan. We're on the Rockwall Caribbean. Just got through eating a fantastic lunch. Anyway, I'm over here. I'm just sitting back, chilling like a villain. And anyway, our buddy Trent down here in the cabin, he has found a position that he most likes. Yeah, Trent.
Comfortable.
Very what?
Horizontal.
It's not comfortable. I feel really comfortable.
Don't mind the clock; it doesn't work. So we're having a very nice day on the Rockwall Caribbean. Give you a panoramic view. It's actually about 4:30 in the afternoon. Moon. You might be able to see it on the video. Let's see if I can. You can't quite see it on the video that I can tell. So this is Rockwall Caribbean. Just out on the lake enjoying the day. Because I hope you're having fun, because we are.